Hi everyone, this daily 1-minute box breathing exercise is designed to reduce stress and anxiety, lower blood pressure, increase focus, mental health, and overall mood. Box breathing is also known as the 4-4-4-4 method because you'll be inhaling for a count of 4 seconds, holding for a count of 4 seconds, exhaling for 4 seconds, and holding again. All you have to do is just follow along with my voice. And let's begin. Please make sure that you are inhaling through your nose and exhaling out of your mouth. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold.